Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to play In My Blood by Shawn Mendes on ukulele. This song isn't too difficult to play because there's only 3 chords and you have one progression that you repeat for the entire song. Let's go ahead and get right into the chords that we need. The first chord is going to be F major. The next chord is going to be B flat. You can play this chord by barring the entire first fret with your index finger, or you can just bar the bottom 2 strings because technically those are the only ones that need barred. However, I do find it easier to bar the entire fret, and I find that I play the chord better whenever I do that. It's just up to your preference and whatever you find easier. And then the last chord is D minor. Now that we have those chords, we can talk about the progression. All it's gonna be is F, B flat, D minor, B flat, and you're gonna keep repeating that over and over for the entire song. You also stay on each chord for the same amount of time. The first strumming pattern that I recommend is down, 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 up. So that's 8 down strums with an up on the end, and you're gonna do that 1 time on each chord. I also like to do these down strums a little bit softer, so I don't go all out on them like this. I do more of a gentle down, 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 up, and kind of just doing it with a gentle movement of the wrist. Going through that with a progression. Down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Down, 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 up, help me. It's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood. And then you would just keep repeating this for the entire song if you wanted to use that strumming pattern for the whole thing. However, I'm going to suggest some other ones so you can switch it up, add some flavor to the song. This next one is actually going to be a very simple plucking pattern that would sound really nice with the intro. You're only going to be plucking 2 strings for this pattern, and it's going to be 1, 3. You're gonna do that a total of 4 times on each chord. So 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Going through that all together. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Help me. It's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood. Laying on the bathroom floor, feeling nothing. Overwhelmed and insecure, give me something. You could continue to do that plucking pattern through the rest of that section, or you could go into the other one of down, 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 up. It's really just up to whatever you want to do. Because the beat count works the same for the entire song, you can use any of these strumming or plucking patterns at any point that you would like to. The strumming pattern that I like to use for the chorus to pick it up a bit more is gonna be down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you're gonna do that 2 times on each chord. So going through that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Help me. It's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up. No medicine is strong enough. Someone help me. I'm crawling in my skin. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood. You can also carry that strumming pattern into verse 2 and for the rest of the song if you would like, so I'll go ahead and give an example for that. Looking through broken, feeling anxious, afraid to be alone again. I hate this, trying to find a way to chill, can't breathe out. Is there somebody who could help me? It's like the walls are caving in. I think you're probably starting to get the idea how simple this song is, because it's just the 3 chords with the 1 progression. You choose whichever strumming pattern you like. It's also going to be the same for the bridge. So using that same strumming pattern that I was before. I need somebody now. I need somebody now. Someone to help me out. I need somebody now. And go back into the chorus using that same strumming pattern. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this tutorial helped you. If it did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have y'all back here for another lesson with me. I also have a playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go check that out and find another song that you want to learn. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye.